DJI Avata 360. Circle the houses. Got that coming up next.
Welcome to Bill the Drone Reviewer, bringing you consumer drone news since 2017. It's always a great day to fly.
Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The other day, I was able to get out and fly the Avata 360 at my house. Unfortunately, the temperatures are starting to feel like it's midsummer and it's only mid-June, or mid-May, excuse me. But we went ahead today, and what I did was I did a circle not only of my house, which is two twin villas together, but also our neighbors as well. So in essence, it really was 4 houses. Let's see how all that turned out. Okay, today we're going to take the Avata 360 up around my house. Let's see here. We have 26 satellites. We are good to go. And let's go ahead and take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
I think we have screen recording is started. Okay, let's get it up to altitude here. Bring it down a little bit. Swing it over a little. Back it up a little bit. Okay, kind of need to expand that here. Okay, I circled the wrong one, so let's go ahead and circle the right one here. There we go. All right, let's get this show on the road here.
3, 2, 1.
I have absolutely loved flying the Avata 360. It is really a joy to fly. I'm having so much fun with it. And processing the 360 footage was something I was afraid of, but I'll tell you what, it's just another part of the workflow, and it's really not that hard at all. This is a great perspective on our house. I really like this here. Okay, and that stopped. And let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and see if we can do this. I want to see if I can get 2 houses here. So we're going to go ahead and do 2 houses. So let's go ahead and try that here. Yeah, got 2 houses. So we're gonna throw some caution to the wind here.
3, 2, 1.
Circle two villas. Now, when I say 2 houses, we're twin villas. There's separated down the middle, so there's really technically 4 houses, but I'm also impressed with the speed with which this is doing it. It's doing it at a really good pace. I like this. And that 360 camera is just absolutely incredible. And it's finishing up here. That's just great. That is just absolutely great. Let's go ahead and we're going to, let's see. All right, we're going to go ahead and do a return to home. We are done here for the day.
Return to home.
And this is the first time with the Avata 360 that I'm using the landing pad that came with it.
Landing.
Let's see how we do. I did fine the first 2 flights. It looks pretty good. We'll see. Getting better as it comes down. Like it's going to stick it here. All right, right on the new DJI pad. All in all, that was another great test of the Avata 360. I did a circle around my house, and then I did a circle around 2 villa units together, and that seemed to go really well. Very, very pleased. I have nothing but high praises for the Avata 360. Let's see how all that turned out. All in all, that was a great flight for the Avata 360. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI Avata 360 Circle the House? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, it's a great day to fly. See you next time.